How can I fix the blurriness on my 4K TV?
Hello, viewers. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that might be plaguing your viewing experience: blurriness on a 4K TV. By following our step-by-step guide, you can make the most of your high-definition TV and enjoy crisp, clear images.
Why is my 4K TV blurry?
First, let's understand the common reasons behind blurriness. It might be because of 1. Incorrect picture settings. Your TV settings might not be correctly adjusted. 2. Low-quality source material. If the content you are viewing is of a lower resolution, it will appear blurry on a 4K TV. 3. Faulty cables or connections. Damaged or low-quality HDMI cables can impact the picture quality.
How do I check my TV's picture settings?
To get rid of the blurriness, let's start with the settings. 1. Navigate to your TV's menu or settings option using your remote control. 2. Find the Picture Settings section. 3. If available, select the Auto Adjust or similar function. This should optimize the TV settings based on the program you're viewing. 4. If Auto Adjust is not available, manually adjust the settings. Look for options such as sharpness, contrast, and brightness, and play around until you find the best combination. 5. Make sure any noise reduction or MPEG noise reduction features are turned off, as these can sometimes cause blurriness.
How can I ensure high-quality source material?
The source of your video content can also affect the display quality. 1. Ensure you are streaming or playing 4K content. Remember, content with lower resolution will appear blurry on a 4K TV. 2. If you are streaming online, make sure your internet connection is strong. Weak or unstable connections can degrade video quality.
Are my cables and connections in good shape?
Lastly, let's check the hardware. 1. Inspect your HDMI cables for any visible damage. If damaged, replace them. 2. Make sure you're using high-speed HDMI cables capable of carrying a 4K signal. 3. Check the connection points. Unplug and securely replug the cables to ensure they are properly connected. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to enhance your viewing experience and say goodbye to that pesky blurriness on your 4K TV. Remember, the quality of your display hinges on the right settings, good source material, and sound hardware. Enjoy your crystal clear 4K viewing experience.